I should be working on some of the repairs. I will, but quickly I'll make another video. I basically collect some um, image files, like Surface Pro image files that I can later use, have it ready on a USB, like Surface Pro 5, 6, I've got 7 somewhere. Yeah, I've got 7. Sometimes I need 8 and newer ones, and I don't have the device yet, but I'm not allowed to download it from Microsoft website unless I have a serial number handy. And then I can go into the recovery image download website and type in the serial number. What you can do, I figured out, is, for example, I want Surface Pro X SQ1. It's one of the newer ones. I want the firmware for this. So if I get a job, I have the USB ready. So what you got to do is, example, go through eBay, look through product photos, and try and find, yeah, here we go, same one, yeah, product photos, and maybe hopefully find the serial number. Maybe scan the barcode, etc. Try and get the barcode out, serial number out that way. So it can't be the retail listings like those. It will have to be listings that are private sellers who take photos of all the crucial areas. Sometimes they put it in description too. And another way to find them, the serial number, is they actually put it in the description. So you can say Surface Pro serial number, because search is a description field, include description. And you'll find some people, oh, spot on, there we go. And where is the serial? Oh, here we go. Ask me for serial number to confirm warranty status. That's not a problem, so we just contact them. Hey, can we check the warranty serial number? And they'll just give it to you. Any other? Pro, no. 3, no. No, no, no. Okay. Okay. Look under direct. We're looking for. Oh yeah. Reader. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. iPad no. Tab no. iPad no. Samsung no. Okay, you get the idea. For example, maybe that guy there will have the serial number too, maybe. Brand new in box. Now, by the way, I do need this. Let me get this guy first. Okay, so the serial number is in the image. So that is 00783 00783 829 4553. Okay, let's go to Microsoft website. So this is the Pro X. And voila. Oh. Pro X. Why didn't anything come up? There we go. Wonderful, and we can just go ahead and download the image. And then extract to a USB, get it ready for future jobs. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.